Want to change exposure and contrast in your image to make it better? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, open up your Lensa app. And once you've done that, you will be prompted with this page right here. Now you can click on this plus icon right here to import more images, or you can go on with the existing one. Now once you have imported your image, you should be prompted with this editing options. Now since we are going with exposure and contrast, so simply slide to the right side until you see lights. Now once you have clicked on it, you should be provided with these options: exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows. Now you can just simply adjust the bar accordingly. Right side for more exposure and left for less. Same for contrast and highlights. And once you're done with that, just simply click on save right here on top. This should automatically save your photo to the gallery. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.